Got him. First try. And I just realized that I don't have the minnow bucket, so we're going to have to hit him back. That is not good. What's going on, y'all? In today's video, we're out here at the pool pond. We're going to be heading out to the creek with a fishing pole this time. We're going to be trying to stock the pool pond with some different fish. Now here's a little update on the pool pond right here. We have a lot of fish in it. We just got to get some bigger fish, but for right now, before we change the water and everything in it and get it back to clear, we're going to go out and just try and get some minnows to stock in here. So without further ado, I'll see y'all whenever I get to the creek. Alright, y'all, we're out here at the creek. We're going to see if we can get a creek fish. Got him. First try. And I just realized that I don't have the minnow bucket, so we're going to have to hit him back. That is not good. We're taking this guy back to the house. Actually, well, yeah, we're just going to take him back really fast. I can't believe I forgot my minnow bucket. What kind of fisherman am I? There he goes. That's a big old fish, big old minnow. And now we're going to get the minnow bucket. Well, that was kind of a chaotic entrance to a video. I can't believe I forgot my minnow bucket. He's biting my bait. There he is. That was a quick catch. Got a chub minnow. Now I gotta get water in the bucket though. And the water's pretty low, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, I got an idea. I got water in the bucket. Let's get an aerator going on this guy. I'm not even gonna hook it to the box, I'm just gonna put it in. Alright, got the aerator running. We're good to go. We're having some difficulties today transporting the fish. There he is. What is this? Another little chub minnow sticking in the bucket. Got him. Another chub. The chub minnows are back now. Oh, we got about 4 in there or something like that. I got a bigger piece of bread on this time. There he is. Got another one, boys. Another chub minnow. They're biting pretty good today. Another one. Another chub minnow. Ooh, that looked like a green sunfish. Maybe we can get him. There he is. Got another chub. There he is. Ooh. What is that? That's a different one. They're biting good today. We might have to take some of these live bait fishing eventually. Ooh, there's another one. This one's a nice size one too. We're at the Motherlode Creek fishing today. There he is again. I'm gonna go catch a couple more because I don't want to run my creek dry. There's another one. We have quite a few in here now. There he is. Alright, I'm gonna try and get one more. I thought he took my bait. Alright, we're only gonna take one more. There he is. Got him again. They're about the same size fish, but that makes like 15 or something like that. So here's what we got. We got quite a few. We'll go ahead and take these fish back to the pool pond. I'll catch y'all when we get back. Alrighty y'all, we just got back from the creek and here's what we caught. We caught about 15 minnows. So we're gonna go ahead and get these fish in here. Let's do some releases. Let's get a big one. These are pretty good sized minnows too. Let's get a handful of them, or a couple of them or something. Pool pond's a little green right now, but we'll just have to change the water next video or an upcoming video. There's that weird shine over here. Never mind. We got quite a few. We got any more? That's all of them. So that'll be it for the video here, guys. Comment down below what you want to see in the pool pond. I'm gonna get a bass in here soon. That's my goal. I'm gonna get a pretty decent sized bass. And we're gonna try and change the water here soon. But we got quite a few fish in here now. And we just upgraded with some big minnows. So I'll catch you on the next video.